Ford Protect TireCARE Plus and TireCARE begins where the rubber meets the road, protecting your tires and wheels from everyday road hazards. Whether it's a blowout due to potholes, debris, nails, glass, or even metal, we'll cover repairs or replace your tires to keep you on the road. And with our TireCARE Plus plan, Ford Protect offers coverage for cosmetic damage to alloy, aluminum, and steel wheels. Ford Protect is 100% backed by Ford Motor Company, designed by Ford, for your Ford, using Ford-authorized parts, Ford-trained technicians, and is honored at all Ford and Lincoln dealerships across the US, Canada, and Mexico. With no mileage limitations to fit your driving needs, TireCARE Plus and TireCARE are designed to keep you on the road. You can trust that your vehicle, wheels, and tires will be taken care of the right way. So drive on, no matter where the road takes you. Insist on Ford Protect.